Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and this video is totally different to my other videos because the other videos is all about traveling or visa, but this time I just want to share with you guys about the gadget that I purchased yesterday, so stay tuned. So welcome to my office at home. I just want to show you the items very close, in a very close look. So the first one is the charger. So the charger, guys, if I can put you a closer look at that. How clever is that? So it's really fit on when you're traveling a lot. Look at that. It's really safe. But the wire, I think you can't use to other Apple gadget like iPhone or other iPad because they have a different design. So I can't use this one to charge my iPhone or my other iPad. So this one, and the next one is the Smart Keyboard. It looks gorgeous. Oh, sorry. That's how you use it. So actually, guys, you can purchase separately the keyboard to Amazon. I think Amazon can offer a keyboard and mouse at the same time, a package for £40. So I think if you want to, you know, you're in a budget to buy that, you can go to Amazon and purchase that product. But for this one, I bought this one in Apple, so it costs £199. To be honest, it's very expensive. Come to think about it, if you're buying an old specs for iPad, total of £400, but for this one it's £200, a very expensive keyboard. But let's see how good is this. So this is the look of the keyboard. Look at that. Closer look. So it's really pretty, to be honest, but very expensive. I don't think I will buy it again. This very expensive one. Just want to try that. And then the iPad Pro. So when I'm searching online, I thought this is really big, but when I received this product, and I thought this is perfect because it's not too big and it's not too small. Because when I'm comparing this iPad Pro 12.9 to my husband's iPad, it's just not that big. It's just perfect for me. It's perfect for me. It's really perfect for this one. So look at that. And they have three camera. So I'm excited to use this. Once I set up, I haven't set up yet because I'm just only charging. But I just want to show you first, guys. And also a separate purchase, a screen protector. So I just want to concentrate later on to put this, to make sure I put it right, because I know it's very challenging to put this protector. So I'm hoping it's good also. And also for that, I just want to show you a mouse. So this is, I purchased this one in Amazon for £15. This is a Wi-Fi. So I thought this really good. It's like, to be honest, this is like a small laptop, but it's really light. This is really light, guys. It's not that heavy. So when you travel a lot and for example you allow already to travel, this is not difficult to carry, to be honest. So if I want to put this one out, okay, Look at this. So the iPad is already inside, but look at that. How tiny is that? Really skinny. And you can't, it's really strong. See, I can't out my hands on the laptop, on the iPad. I keep saying laptop because it looks like laptop anyway. So, but this is iPad Pro 12.9. Yeah, so for the price, it's really expensive, but again, it's really up to you if you want to upgrade to terabyte. But this one is 256 gigabyte, so this is total of 1,069 pounds plus the keyboard, which is 199. So that's it, guys. If you have any comments or if you have the same gadget like mine, just comment below and share your experience. Bye.